Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so exciting to show you guys how I achieve these Faux Locs or crocheted Faux Locs using Xtension hair. If it's your first time joining me, thank you so much, you're welcome. Kindly don't leave without subscribing and turn on notification bell. Also don't forget to like this video, share and comment. The hair I use in this video is Xtension ombre. I started by removing the hair from the package, and I brushed my hair well to make sure it's soft and stretched out. Then I use this straw. This is a bit hard and not so soft, and I also use bobby pin. This is the amount of hair I will use to make each Faux Locs. So here we go. I take the amount of hair I want, then I put on straw, then I bend it on top just a little, then I use bobby pin to secure it. Back I roll it a little, just roll a little to give the a little space up when I start to crochet this hair on my head. Then I start roll. The formula of rolling these Faux Locs on straw, you have to make sure you roll close to each other. I mean, every time you must roll on top of the other one. Not too hard, not too soft. Slowly going down, but you must make sure you roll very close to each other, like what I do every time I put on top of the previous roll to get a perfect and the net Faux Locs. And I continue go slowly. You have to make sure the hair hold it well on the straw to avoid the hair to unravel, and also to get a good Faux Locs. And when you are continue roll it, if you feel like you are braiding hair not straight enough, you have to brush it to get clean Faux Locs. I continue go, and if you don't have bobby pin, you also can use rubber band to secure on top and end of your braiding hair to avoid your braiding hair to unravel. Then I continue roll till I make sure I finish all my braiding hair, and I make sure I finish before the straw finish. You can see I have a very few amount, and I will roll it here on top. I continue roll till I finish braiding. Then this is how this looks like. This is number one. This number two, I do I take a small section, then end of this small section I put middle. I just want to spice up a little to mix this dark pink color end of my Faux Locs. So after that I roll it. Make sure I roll well. Then I put on straw. I bend up a little to secure that section. Bobby pin is here, and I secure that section. Back you can roll several times, no exact amount of rolling. You can roll 3 times, 4 times, but once you start rolling, you must make sure you grab it, not roll. Slowly continue roll, and as we are going, you can see the light pink start to cross on top of this dark pink, because I want my Faux Locs to be a little spiced up. So I keep going. Slowly, gentle. Continue grab it on top of your straw. Once you continue rolling, you have to make sure your braiding is clean to get clean Faux. You don't need to continue roll while your braiding hair is not stretched enough. Then end of the day you'll find your Faux Locs does not look beautiful, and we don't like that. So guys, you have to be careful when you are rolling these Faux Locs on your straw. Here I almost end of this one, and this is all. I only make several pieces. Then I put it in hot water. Then I fill hot water. The temperature I make 100 degree. Then I leave it here for 2 minutes, and I make sure my locks suck hot water. You can leave it in hot water for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but you have to make sure all your braidings it's inside the water. After that, I remove and I put it on towel to make it dry. Then I'll leave it here, or you can leave it on, you can put it under the sun, or you can use blow dry to make it dry, but you have to make sure you leave it till your braiding hair become dry. Here we go. Here my hair is dry already. I started by removing bobby pin on top. And guys, when you remove, you have to be very gentle. You have to start to pull from down going upward, just very gentle to get perfect knit. So slowly like this, you can see the straw, just move it out like this, and this is my Faux Locs, guys. This it is. It's not very soft, but at the same time it's not hard. Ready for crochet. You can see not very hard and not also soft. You can put it there and you can roll it. Does not unravel if you put it or if you roll it well. I use this magical twist wire to put these locks together, just to make sure I'll put it in a good way. And here I'm done with everything, like everything, guys. This is how these locks look like. I love this pink color. I love the result of this Faux Locs. I love everything. I hope you enjoy watching this video, honey. If yes, kindly like this video and subscribe. I will see you soon on next video, guys. Bye bye.